Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing chicken dum biryani, Ramzan special. So this is how the biryani looks. So let's start with the ingredients now. I have taken 2 large onions sliced, salt to taste, 4 green chillies, half a lemon, 4 to 5 large tomatoes chopped, 1/3 cup of coriander leaves and 1/3 cup of mint leaf or pudina, 1 kg of rice, 1 kg of chicken, 100 ml curd, 100 ml oil, 1/3 cup garlic ginger paste, 2 spoon of chili powder or according to your taste, 2 cinnamon stick, 2 clove and 1 cardamom. So here I've taken a big vessel to it. I've added the oil. Let's heat the oil first and then we'll add cinnamon, clove and cardamom. We'll also add onion and green chili to it. We'll saute this well until it turns golden brown in color. That is until the onion turns golden brown. Make sure you just stir that occasionally so that the base does not burn or the onion does not stick to the base. It'll take some time, but make sure you cook until it's golden brown. So it's golden brown now. We'll add garlic ginger paste to it and we'll saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes. We will have to get rid of the raw smell of the garlic ginger paste. We'll have to cook the garlic ginger paste really well. Only then it would enhance the flavor of the biryani. So now it's cooked well. We'll add the chopped tomatoes. We'll combine all the ingredients. We'll cover the lid and let the tomatoes cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. So here I've taken another vessel. To it I've added more than 2 liters of water to cook 1 kg of rice. So we'll let this boil. The tomato is ready now. It's soft and mushy. We'll add mint leaves and coriander leaves and we'll mix all the ingredients well. Now simmer this and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So the water is boiling now. We'll add salt and I washed the rice twice here. So we'll also add the rice to it. I've added rice and salt. So we'll let this cook. So here we'll get back to our akhni or the masala here. We'll add chicken and we'll mix all the ingredients well with the chicken. And also we'll be adding salt and chili powder and we'll combine all the ingredients. We'll let the chicken cook with all the ingredients for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame and make sure you stir that occasionally and keep an eye on the chicken so that it does not burn or the masalas does not stick to the base. So mix it well. We'll combine all the ingredients. We'll cook until the chicken is a little soft for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now we'll be adding curd and half a lemon. Make sure you remove the seeds. We'll mix all the ingredients again and we'll let the chicken cook with curd and lemon for 3 to 4 minutes. So totally we'll be cooking the chicken for about 10 minutes. Until the chicken is soft and tender. So let's mix that well and let it cook. So the chicken is ready now. Our akhni is ready. We'll turn off the flame and check the rice. So the rice should be cooked about 80%, not completely. We'll strain the water and take the rice. You can use a strainer and the cloth to just remove all the water out of it. So I've taken the same vessel in which I've prepared the akhni or the chicken to layer. So I have the ingredients ready here. So the first layer at the bottom would be half of the rice that we've cooked. We'll sprinkle some food color onto it. And the second layer would be the entire akhni or the chicken that we've prepared for biryani. And finally, the third layer would be the rest of the rice, and also sprinkle some food color. And now we'll dum this, or we'll just cook this on low flame for about 20 minutes, and make sure you use a old tawa to cook this on low flame for 20 minutes. Only then the rice would be cooked well, and this is how your dum biryani is cooked. So now the biryani is ready. So mix that well before you serve, and that looks yummy and delicious. Do try that at home, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And for more such recipes, please stay tuned on my channel. And thank you so much for watching, guys.